One of the biggest mistakes that new YouTubers make is how to get subscribers for your channel. If you want to be successful on YouTube, don't make these mistakes. Hello, everyone. My name is Dan Currier. Welcome to the channel. And if you're new here, consider clicking that subscribe button, ringing the bell, and turning on notifications so you're alerted to future content. Every aspiring YouTuber has visions of millions of subscribers and an audience that loves their content, buys their merch, and makes them a lot of money. It's almost like YouTube glorifies subscribers and makes that the goal. But the reality is, subscriber count is not the goal, nor should you be trying to get more subscribers in order to have a successful YouTube channel. In fact, it might be the exact opposite. And no, I don't mean that you don't want subscribers. I mean that it's the successful channel that is going to lead to more subscribers. A lot of times when people get started on the platform, they think subscribers is what they're trying to achieve. So they go out and do a lot of bad things to get more subscribers while ultimately hurting their channel more than helping it. So first, let's talk about some of the bad things people do in order to get subscribers on their channel. The first thing they do is they will go out and ask their friends and family to subscribe to their channel. You do not want to do that. Ultimately, you want subscribers that are engaged subscribers, which means they've joined your channel because they want to watch your content. Now, granted, your friends and family may watch some of your content just to support you, but in order to be successful on the platform, you want people to organically find your content and enjoy watching it, because those viewers are going to come back time and time again, and that is how your channel is going to grow. Another bad habit is to go into comments of other videos and ask people to subscribe. Now, people have found all kinds of crazy, deceptive ways to do this, and none of them are really valuable to their channel. They used to go into the comments section and straight up ask for people to subscribe. Then subscribe, the word, actually got blocked from a lot of people's comment sections to avoid doing this. And then these folks started coming up with alternative words to get people to subscribe to their channel without saying subscribe in the comments. So it led to this whole evolution of all kinds of weird words that would get banned or blocked from YouTube comments in order to stop this practice of trading subscribers. This situation is just as bad as asking friends and family to subscribe to your channel. It's probably even worse because these people are complete strangers, and the only reason they're subscribing to your channel is because they want you to subscribe to theirs. They're never going to look at your channel again. They don't care about your content. In most cases, they haven't seen your content. So it's a really bad practice to try to get random people to subscribe to your channel simply for the purpose of raising your subscriber count. Also, YouTube picks up all kinds of signals from your channel, including your subscribers and your views and where your views are coming from, whether that's existing subscribers or a new audience. And if you have a bunch of subscribers who never watch any of your videos, that's certainly going to set up some red flags. So if you're not allowed to ask people to subscribe to your channel, how the heck do you get to 500, 1,000, 10,000 subscribers? Well, the short answer is that YouTube has you covered. If you can make content that people enjoy watching, YouTube is going to serve that to viewers who might be interested in that type of content. Remember, you're making videos for the audience, and YouTube is trying to find content for them. They're not trying to find viewers for your videos. So make sure that there is an audience out there for the type of content that you're making, and make sure you are serving them content that they find engaging and want to come back to time and time again. Easier said than done, I know, but what you can do is focus on improving your content more than trying to find new ways to get subscribers. If you can focus on improving your content over time, the subscribers will come. So if you had hopes of making a channel and getting to 1,000 subscribers overnight without doing any of the hard work of making content on a consistent basis, then maybe YouTube is not for you. But if you actually want to develop a channel, an audience, and content that people enjoy watching, subscribers will not be hard to come by. But hey, if you do want to remind people in your videos to subscribe to your channel while they're watching, consider heading over to tubetemplates.com. That's my website for affordable YouTube graphics, including animated calls to action like subscribe, like, follow, all of those things. You can find them over there, starting at under $5 each. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't let the learning stop here. If you want to continue to grow here on YouTube, I'll put a video on screen now that'll help you do just that. I'll see you in the next video.